Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is V. If you're new, welcome to the family. If you're old, thank you so much for coming back. If you can see what's on my t-shirt, it says Empowered by V, and that is an event that I am running. It is a free informal academic conference for young students who are in year 12 and year 13 who want to attend top universities in the UK but feel unsupported, underrepresented, or just feel like they haven't been given that chance to apply or get the help that they need. And this event is essentially a guidance, a quick university get ready for uni and A-levels kind of event. We have speakers who have been through that process, who are super high achieving but come from backgrounds exactly like the students who we'll be talking to, and we're hoping to have about 150 students, but obviously you just don't know who's gonna come. I hope it works out. I've been planning this on my own since May and now it's August, and months and months of preparation, and I hope it goes to plan. People were asking like, how do you pull this off? And essentially it takes a lot of work, and I'm just gonna take you guys through it and enjoy, see the mayhem, see the chaos. But we got there in the end and the event turned out pretty well. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video where I'll show you the actual event and what went down, and you can hear some of the talks, meet some of the students, and just, yeah. Empowered by V 2019, here we go. This is my project, this is my baby, and I absolutely, so close to my heart, and I hope you guys can see that through the videos. So see you soon and enjoy. It is currently 8:50 in the morning, and I'm about to have a phone call with one of the sponsors that I'm trying to secure for the event. This is my setup. I work from home, so my kitchen basically becomes my office. Yesterday I managed to secure Paper Chase as a official sponsor for the event, which was absolutely incredible, and now I'm trying to secure someone else so they can cover all of the costs for transport. I have a quick call in like 5 minutes, but before I do, I'm gonna quickly just try and like get my questions together. Questions like, what would you guys like to gain from the sponsorship? What are the conditions of transaction? And would they want to be in like constant communication, or is this just like a one-off?
It's even going beyond you and just your amazing achievements, and really giving a voice and a platform for lots and lots of people.
Thank you, that's so kind of you to say.
Today we have like a to-do list, but it's on text message, quite scrambled and very random. So we have a lot to do in terms of like, go find me some dungarees to wear with my yellow t-shirt, get some clipboards, buy some cards for the speakers to say thank you, and then I need to buy all the treat stable stuff. So we're doing like popcorn, candy, all that. We're gonna buy all that stuff. And this is Tandy, you saw her in the IKEA vlog, and yeah, I find it so funny and weird how it's taken until August 2019 to have like my sister and you on this channel.
Isn't that crazy?
Nuts, because I'm with these people almost every single day.
Besides Oxford.
Yeah, we're gonna be trying Topshop.
So we're going near Debenhams.
So our first order of business is not exactly event related. Picked up some stuff, trying to see what to wear for this event. Get me and you put it on. First one is a no. I look like I'm ready to go to like primary school. This one is just a bit too tight. I am not being funny. I found my outfit. So we finished shopping. We had McDonald's. Mine's gone. We've arrived at Home Bargains. It's now time to do treat table shopping.
We have T minus 30 minutes to get everything done.
My sister gave me strict instructions of what to get, so we're gonna try and get that. Brand, not kind of tissue. And this is what goes into like an event. Like, you got to think about every detail. We can't have nuts. we can't have anything that someone will be allergic to, though I need to double check every package, like does it contain nuts or was it like made in a nut factory, because we have 4 nut allergy kids come in. So we're home now and we finished shopping. That's the only errands that we're running today because we just ran out of time and we didn't plan this properly.
We didn't plan it. I think we spent too much time eating.
Yes, too much time eating and talking and just walking around and just doing rubbish. Oh my god, it's here. My packages. The items from Paper Chase are here. This is very, very exciting. Our goodie bags. I was right, the stuff is here from Paper Chase. Okay, so all of the Paper Chase stuff is sorted and it's all there, which is mad crazy because there's so much and I just can't believe it. And these are all the boxes that it came in, which is just crazy. So now I'm gonna head to go and get all of the t-shirts with my sister because they're going to be ready by now, which I'm so grateful for, but we're kind of late and that's my fault. I've got my to-do list from Pumpkin Productivity from Ruby's line. I am like 2 seconds on the t-shirt shop, very nervous because like you just don't know, like will it look how you want it to look and did they get your vision correct, you know. But yeah, there's nothing we can do at this point anyway because there's literally like 24 hours left before the not 24, like 48 hours left before the event, so we have no choice but to be okay with whatever they produce. So here we go. I've got the t-shirts. They look so good. Exactly what I wanted. I wanted something like subtle and cute, and that's exactly what we got. So our next destination, sister's driving over there. Martina, who's going to be speaking. This is her little brother, one of my sister's really good friends, and we're going to have some donuts and stuff. So we've got these 2 packs, haven't we, Ethan?
Yep.
And you've just turned how old?
10.
How do you feel? Do you think life's different now that you're 10?
A little bit, yeah. Like double digits.
Oh, double digits. Yeah, that's quite a big deal.
Like it feels like you're actually more than 10 because your body's changed.
Oh yeah.
Like your voice has changed.
Oh yeah, you've literally got like a man's voice now, and you're like 10. It's like when you talk, I'm like, wait, is he 50 or is he 10? So we've made it to Happy Craft. Oh jeez. I think we should get different styles. So we're gonna have these for like to put popcorn in. For tablecloth.
Like, can't we just...
I think the spotty one.
This one.
Right. So I'm going to start making all of the goodie bags for my speakers and some students. I don't have like enough for everyone, which is kind of annoying. But I have like these press cards that almost everyone can get. You get 15% off from Paper Chase. And these are the bits that I have gotten from Paper Chase. So we have like a ton of pencil cases, a ton of like pens, different pens here, different pens here, lots of different notebooks. I just feel so like bad that not everyone can get one. 12 students and 12 speakers get goodie bags, and it's just like not the best. Getting to the point where like I'm tired, and also my wig is literally slipping backwards. Like if you can see, my wig is there. It's meant to start here, it's gone there. That's how stressed I am. Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. We are still prepping for the event. It's tomorrow. I'm very, very nervous, but it's happening, it's happening, it's happening. Right now, today we're heading to the library to print off all of like the schedules and things for tomorrow, just so everyone knows what's happening, where they need to be, etc, etc. I'm just nervous and I just can't wait for all of this like to come together. From the library, but they don't have any clipboards, so now I've just realized that I've wasted paper, because all I could have done is just like Google Docs shared for everyone. Yeah, so I'd ordered a small knowing full well that I'm not a size small at all, so I've gone and gotten another medium top, so I'm gonna pick it up now. It just says empowered by VEE, and it's just yellow, and everyone else will be wearing black ones. So we are heading to pick up some of the operations team for Team Empowered. Fads is driving as per. Hey. Tans is, well, the lighting's not great. Well, yeah, Tans is at the back. Tandy is there. We're gonna meet Tina. We don't know about Karen because she doesn't answer her phone. Just a quick warning, my family get really excited to see each other no matter how long it's been. We could have been together the week before, 2 days before, a year before. We just get excited to see each other, and obviously with the event coming up as well, we were super excited. So mute your volume now if you're not a fan of screaming. So guys, we're having the Empowered Operations Team meeting at Nando's because it's my favourite place to be, obvi. Yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. So this is my cousin or whatever.
Wait.
Oh, Allah. This is my cousin, Marlon.
Yeah, I'm taken, by the way. Sorry, ladies.
See, this is why nobody even cared. Thank you so much for coming. This is the operations meeting for Team Empowered. We've got Marlon, Fadzi, Karen, Tandy, Noria, and Martina here. I'm so grateful. This is not going to happen without you guys. The kids will be so grateful, and everything's going to go smoothly as long as we work as a team and we stay on tip-top shape. So, to ensure that we're all on par and know what we're doing, schedules for tomorrow. So you'll see topic, time, and location, where you need to be, what you need to be doing at each time, and it's crucial that you stick to this. Ready for Empowered by VEE. Everyone's looking lit. Gang. We're ready to go. Look at the team. Finally, McDonald's breakfast. Woo! So we're doing a quick first stop, and we're gonna get some breakfast because no one is gonna be ready to tackle this day unless they get food. So here we go.
By VEE, Here we come.
Gang gang. Dunno. McDonald's is on VEE.
Yeah.
Pay for everybody. You get McDonald's. You get McDonald's.
Takanganda tiwia imana lekumusha kwang. Dakanganda tiwia innocent wirirane. Tino na bisa wondo sevan wajema. Tino na bisa wondo tese tuwira one. Uyaone. Bakwa weke pamba kwa paurosi achienda. So hi everyone, so it is now the day after the event, and yeah, it's basically over. It was one of the most like magical days ever, just because like I wasn't expecting that much love, that kind of turnout, and it was crazy. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna edit the whole video and then I'm gonna put it out for you guys next week, but you can have this one first, which is just all of the preparation that went behind the scenes to get ready for an event like that, and like what you have to do, because it's a lot. It takes a lot to like get 150 students in one room, plus 12 speakers who are so busy and have so much going on in their own lives. And yeah, I was just really grateful, and I'm just so ecstatic. I want to do this again next year, so if you are interested at all, then just please like comment down below, and if you want like more in depth on how I organized it, why I did it, then just let me know. But the event is, yeah, basically just like let me know. Love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you guys know just how much I care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.